A lot of our clients work on remodeling their home or updating their home, and those are really fun projects because we get to choose personality-based shades for each one of the rooms. Oftentimes when people build a new home, they're working on all the options. They only have a particular budget that they can dedicate. So we have to really keep with something that's similar throughout the house, and we have to take into account more of the budget on the overall project. Whereas on a remodeling project, typically the windows are one component of the remodel. And as long as we plan for it and we budget accordingly, we can really choose a window covering that fits the personality, design, and style of that particular room that you're remodeling, especially if it's across the back of the house. When we look at remodel projects across the front of the house, we always want to take into account the other window coverings on the front of the house, and if it's important to you to have a consistent look, we want to make sure that we do that with any shade that we replace. However, across the back of the house that isn't facing the street, you really have the opportunity to kind of open up your design and style and look at different types of blinds, shades, fabrics, and colors that really suit more of the space rather than the overall look of the house. So we can kind of really key in on what you're trying to accomplish by covering the window. We can really key in on the color of the fabric, the design and style of that particular remodel that you're working on. And those are really fun projects for us because you can really exercise your creativity. On a lot of our window covering projects for remodels, we meet with the clients as well as their designer in many cases to plan up front in the remodel. What type of budget can you commit to your window coverings? What is the overall function that you're looking for? And what other fabrics, colors, and styles are you choosing for your remodeled space? We'll meet with you initially. We'll try to understand what's out there. Oftentimes, we meet in the showroom so that we can see all of the options, especially with your designer or remodeler. And then in the end, we come back out and take final measurements after the windows have been completely finished to make sure that they fit perfectly and finalize our color and style selections at that time. Now, when it comes to the installation of window coverings on a remodel project, we always want to be one of the last ones in, typically after the final cleanup. Remodeling projects or home projects can really cause a lot of dust and a lot of excess dirt. And the last thing that you want to do is get brand new window coverings and have that dust settle into them where they're very difficult to clean when they're brand new. So we want to wait till that final cleanup. Then we want to go back in. We want to put the finishing touches on with your window coverings and make sure that they look amazing with your remodeling project.